Good day, viewers. Now I want to continue with our calculations on the factorial and combinations. Now, we have treated factorial the other time, and then we said assuming we have, say, the word stop. Let's say stop by factorial, because this has 1, 2, 3, 4 letters, meaning 4 vacant positions. 4. If we are to arrange them, we say the first letter can occupy any of these 4 positions, so we write 4. The second letter, T, can occupy any of the 3 remaining positions, we write 3. The third, which is O, can occupy any of the 2, it could be here, it could be there. So since there are 2, we just write 2, and then the last one. So we wrote it as 4 factorial, which is same thing as saying 4 times 3, 12 times 2, 24 times 1, 24. So we say that's in 4 ways. Now, that's for the factorial. Factorial. Of course, this means factorial, Now, assuming also we want to talk about, before we get to combination, there's something they call permutation. Permutation. I believe you have come across that word. Permutation. Of course, they go together, permutation and combination. Permutation. Now, let us say we have, let's use the word stop again. Stop, say 2. Or let me say B. Or do I write A? Okay, anyone. Stop. And they say we are picking, we are selecting 2 letters. Selecting 2 letters. We have to select 2 letters. So how would it be? 2 letters, let's say the first 2 letters. So remember there are 4 vacant positions. So the first one should be here. Then second letter is 3. Of course, if you sum everything at the end of the day, it is going to give you 12. So now that is how it is. Now, at the end of the day, you're writing 4 times 3 equal to 12. That means the permutation, of course, now when we consider permutation, we're not considering the order of arrangement. Sorry, the order here matters, I mean to say. In the order matters. So there are 12 orderings that is possible when we're picking 2. You get that point. So how can we write this and make it look more like the usual permutation formula? So remember that this can be written as 4 times 3 times 2 prime. This can be written like this, all over 2 prime. I mean 2 factorial, I said prime. 2 factorial, 2 factorial. I hope you know. It could be written like that. You get the point. So if it could be written like that, that means this also could be written as 4 times 3 times 2 prime all over the highest vacant position 4 minus number of selections we are making 2. Could be written like this. So at the end of the day, we are writing 4 prime all over 4 minus 2 prime. You get the point? So that's it. So now where 4 can be considered, 4 can be represent n, which is the total possible vacant positions. Vacant, let me call it vacant positions or places, positions. And then where we say R, in this case 2 represent the R, or R represent 2, the selected, we call it the selected positions. So that's it. So if we are following this, so 4, so that means we can, this 4 that we wrote like this could be written as n factorial n minus 2, minus r factorial. So that is where the formula for the permutation was derived. So of course the symbol for permutation coefficient is NP subscript r. So I hope you get that. Okay, now how about if we want to do another one, say let me call this one the A part, the B part now. Let's say we're told stop, let us stop, and we're selecting 3, select 3 letters. So the same thing, letters. So the same thing, there are 4 positions also. So but we're selecting 3. So the first letter of the stop, 4, of course 3, and then 2, because the first one will occupy 4 positions. The second one, T, can occupy any of the 3, so we write 3. Then the third one, any of the remaining 2, so we write 2. So it could be written as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 prime all over 1 prime. Now this 1 factorial, I keep saying prime, sorry for that, factorial. Then this could be written as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, if you wish. So 4 minus the 3 will give you this. 4 position minus this 3 will give you that. So minus 3. Get the point now? So this on the whole would become 4 all over 4 factorial all over 4 minus 3 factorial. Again, it is similar to our expression where, according to our definitions, where we have said that it is n minus r, this. So that's it. So we'll do the one in the remaining video. I don't want it to get too long. Thank you.